So that's rain. That's all rain. Pretty much completely surrounded by rain, and no idea where the top of this it's up there somewhere. There's down there, but that's like a cliff, and I don't really know where the cliff is, so we're just gonna go that way. What could go wrong? Oh my god. That is coming straight for me, and it's gonna be here in about 2 hours. Oh boy. This is the part where I find out. More of it over there. I've got to be close to the top though. I mean, yeah, there's Flagstaff. And gotta go up there. And then I think there's gonna be some more mountain, and then probably more rock pile on top of that. But that's where we're going. Yay! 30 raining, I'm fucked. That is getting bigger. Well, I did buy a nice raincoat. I did want to test it out. We're gonna find out. Yeah, so there was absolutely no chance of this happening, and here we are. We're in a cave. And out there, there's a lightning storm that's about to really hit any second, even though it's pretty much already raining. Hold on, let me move the camera. This is why we have editing. It's hard to get out of my little cave, but all of that is coming. It's about to hit. But in my cave, we're fine. There's even a skylight over there. This is impossibly awesome. As long as there's more cave over there. I just haven't gone in there yet. But I've always heard you don't want to be in a cave on a mountain. Oh my goodness, there's hail. Yeah. We're gonna get some. We're gonna get some. I still have to get down from here. Oh my god. Alright, well. Oh man. You know, I had a tent all set up. It's all nice and comfy down there. Nope. I had to come up here. Pretty cool though. So that's hail. That is hail. I'm at the top of the mountain, and yeah, it's all wet. And look at this. We found a freaking cave. There's a big ass cave at the top of the mountain. It goes way in there. I haven't explored yet. This is incredible because, oh my goodness, I'm glad I'm not out there. Oh, the lightning just hit that mountain right there. That's pretty nuts. I wish I wasn't in this cave thingy. This is so fucking scary. Being in my cave thingy. Oh, I missed it again. Okay. Let's go scramble up a 2,000-foot cliff for the first time. Yeah, that's a great idea. Oh, it's gonna rain? We'll go anyways. We'll be done before it rains. Dude, thank God this cave is here. Thank you, God, for the cave. Incredible. So it's so dark in here, I don't really want to explore, but you hear all that rain? I have no idea where it's coming in. Crazy. I think this is starting to blow past. I think we're stuck in here. Oh, jeez. Well, at least that's past us. Yeah, cave. Nice little cave. Happy little cave. You'd think that the rain's coming in from there, but it's not. It's coming from like this blackness back here. There's a big hole down there, and there's water in there, and you can hear it. And it's insane. It's terrifying. So we're gonna look back out this way. Happy, happy, happy. Happy, happy, joy, joy. So after I left the cave last night, I tried to go down, got cliffed out 200 feet from the bottom. It got dark. I realized I was completely screwed, and I had to go back to the top of the mountain, like to the very top of the mountain, because there's radio towers up there. So there's a road. So in the pitch black, the phone was dead, had no headlamp. I had to go back up those wet cliffs. It kept raining, pouring lightning all night long. Got to the top, there's dirt roads that connect the towers. But after like my third mountain, it dead ended at a radio tower, and I was not going to turn around and walk back. So I cut down the hill again and barely made it down. Like, don't bushwhack at night up there. Not a good idea. I think it took 15 hours to get back. So then I got back to where the tent was and couldn't find it. It was a couple hundred feet further down the trail. So it was like the sun was up before I found my tent. And it just stopped raining. So